Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to put on the metal roofing on top of your ventilation hole. First thing I got to do is make sure I got my speed square, my permanent marker, and I set up my roofing, metal roofing. Here's the way I did it, guys. So as you see, from the end of there towards these directions, this is the last piece I stopped yesterday here on my last piece right here. So that's the last piece. So now to cover my ventilation hole, the ventilation hole, I have this one lap for the last one, that metal that I did yesterday. I lap it over there on the red so that exactly where it's gonna overlap. So, but I didn't push the metal roofing all the way down, as you see here. I didn't push it all the way down because I need to see the ventilation hole. So as you see, if you follow from here, guys, right here where my hand towards this way, I see the ventilation hole. So now I put another lap of roofing over here towards this one, so that I know also this new the second metal roofing I put on is overlapping to this one where it stopped right here where the hole is, and this one too, so that I can mark it where the ventilation gonna be. So aside this one, but this one I lap it all the way to the bottom right here, so that I can make sure that I mark it all the way right there. So what I did is use my tape measure right here, what I did is prop my legs right here. My left legs is pushing the middle up, then I measure this hole. So the hole, basically in the middle of the hole, from that to there is about 10 inches, and there's about 9 inches. So when I put this one down, I overlap that, so I know that we're gonna stop right there. So now what I did is I put my speed square right there and mark it with my permanent marker over here. Then also on the top right here, I make a mark. Then I make a mark right there too. Over here, guys, I make a mark over there and make an X where the middle of the hole, because you can just estimate where's the middle of the hole. So I made an X where the hole of the ventilation hole I'm gonna be putting on later. So that's what it is. And I go to the other ventilation hole. So I went up here because this is the middle that I overlap with this one right here. So what I did is bear with me, guys, I'm stuttering because I have too much in my mind. Try to explain it to you guys, and try to think where my camera pointing, and one-handed also. So I see that I slide this metal roofing now towards the end. I'm gonna do it slowly. See, you can see it sliding down, and I try to make sure that it's go all the way down to the edge. We're right here where the last roofing that I did. So I make sure that this one's plus right here, so that everything's gonna be lined up. So now it's flush right there. So I can secure that one later, guys. So now you see where the ventilation hole gonna be. So now